Hey everybody, I'm here today with an easy video on the GoPro Hero 8 action camera. I'll be going over how to record video fast and easily in this easy but full tutorial. So let's get right into the video. As you can see, this is the GoPro Hero 8 Black, and I'm going to show you how to record video. So first and foremost, we want to turn the camera on by pressing and holding the power button right there. Okay, once the camera's on, to record video, if you are in a video recording mode, all that you have to do is press the record button. It will beep and it's recording right now, as you can see right there. And then I'm going to press it again. It beeps again and it stops recording. That's it. And you've now saved the video file to your memory card, your micro SD card on the camera. Now, in addition to showing you the basics of it, you can actually do different versions of video recording. So you can do a video recording. You can also do a time lapse, which is sort of like a video recording. So I figured that I would show you that as well. You can get to that option by pressing the mode button here or swiping across the screen like that, as you can see. Okay. In addition, when you're in video recording mode, you have these 4 icons on the sides that you can sort of touch to turn on different things. Like I can turn on slow motion with that button right there, or I can turn it off. Okay, I can also change the lens size with that one on the bottom left. I can turn on hyper smooth stabilization boost over here on the top right, and the bottom right I can zoom. In addition, I have presets that I can choose from. If I go ahead and I tap this bottom right here, I have different presets that I can choose from, and it shows you what is involved with each preset. Let's keep it on standard, but you can choose whichever one you want. You can edit them. You can even add your own. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.